What's up, Moto fans? Michael here at Moto Machines, and today we're going to be doing an overview of the Evotech Performance mirror extensions. OEM motorcycle mirrors, the ones that look like antenna, oftentimes just universally suck. They're shaped weird, the way they're placed means you end up looking at your shoulders or your elbows. They have limited adjustability as well. And it's pretty infuriating to do this contortionist act just to look at a piece of glass so you could be aware of your surroundings. Evotech Performance has an answer for that though, and that is their mirror extensions. I'll start off by saying that Evotech Performance kit is some of the highest quality stuff that you can buy for your motorcycle, and the fit and finish on them is bar none. It's some of the most beautiful stuff you could buy, and these are no different. They're CNC machined out of aircraft grade billet aluminum and then powder coated black for longevity. And basically what they're gonna do is extend your mirrors outward by 50 millimeters and upwards by 30 millimeters. That extra little bit means that you can actually use your mirror the way it was intended to be used. Shocker, right? You get to see so much more of your surroundings, and that is basically what we all want. If I'm being honest, you want to be aware of everybody. But with all that being said, let's head on outside and show you what they look like on the bike. Well, that's all we've got for you today. Thanks for tuning in. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for all the latest Moto Machines madness. If you're interested in more content like this, click the card in the top right-hand side of the screen. Ride safe.